We kindly remind everyone to take all your trash.
Whose story of determination and grit reminded us that success is earned through hard work and purpose. The hoodie properly marked the symbolic transition from students to graduates. Each hood plays with pride, its gesture filled with meaning. This was followed by one of the
pagkakaibigan. Sarang ay nilipay sa kahit nagkalakitan. Paalam na nga ba sa ating nakaraan? Ngunit saan man tayo, di pa nangyarihan. Di pa papalitang pagkakaibigan. Lumang mga larawan nakaplasa sa mga dingding. May tamis at pait babalikan. Hinahanap ng bayan, kwentuhang magdamagan. Nung bata pa't nangangarap lang sa pagkagat ng realidad ng buhay. Dalas natin sadyang magkakahiwalay.
Many of us entered college with doubts and fears about our chosen course, about our capabilities, and what the future held. Some carried financial burdens, while others silently battled emotional and mental struggles. We all came from different starting points, but we shared one thing in common. We chose to keep going, and that made all the difference. May we keep that faith not just in ourselves, but in God who led us here, and in the people who always believe in us. Congratulations, class of 2025.
So here's the truth I've got to embrace. That life isn't a race. You're not late, you're not behind. You're just doing life at your own pace. And there is so much power in that. At one point, I saw my extension as a curse, a painful reminder that I didn't make it on time. But as the years passed, I realized something beautiful. My extension became a room for me to reflect, to heal, and to feel. It became a quiet space where I met myself again.
Biligid mo sukod ang akong kalipay karong adlawa. This is a very special day, not just for our children, but also for us parents. Seeing them in their graduation gown, smiling and reaching their dreams is a moment we will forever treasure in our heart.
You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart always.
Francis Juliet Madruño Iman, second place, oral presentation in the social sciences category for graduates, Master of Science in Agribusiness Management. Jonathan C. Bagares, Certificate of Leadership Award. Plaque and Medal of Appreciation from the University Senior Student Council, USCO 2025. Joel R. Oyangri, Certificate of Leadership Award. Plaque and Medal of Appreciation from the University Senior Student Council, John Rex de Teología, First place, oral presentation in the Social Sciences category for undergraduates and Leadership Service Award.
Stage reminded us of the college commitment to excellence and transformation.